I'm so toxic as ever. Your bitch is basic forever. We used to fuck just as friends, but now you took her to bed. There's room for space in my head, yeah. Still got some space left for head, yeah. Can't be bored of her yet, cause she pays your rent and enough. Shouldn't take your empty seat. Working out inside your CRV, and I don't want any action. Keep your facts straight, get me only aim to please. Like you had it easy, won't you know? Fuck me now. So let's do it again. The lines we blurred too soon. We'll forget when our flesh made two. We'll forget till we feel anew.
If I'm being honest, I love you when I tell you that I do. Like every single day, girl, I don't understand why you do every little thing that he tells you. Like he don't love you like I love you, my baby, my baby. I dress even better, I think I look better, baby. I really can't be comprehending what the fuck he brings to the table, I guess. He wear that fucking bottle shirt and khakis, I'm wearing my Ricky's a word. Girl, my heart breaks in pieces. Like I wanna stress my baby.
Want you to know I linked with someone online. I'm schizophrenic after learning a sign. But you have a slightly better haircut. Still can't really tell, I'm simply not there.
So let's do it again.